Meaning of horseback.
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 Horseback. Horseback is a noun that refers to the act of riding a horse. It can also be used as an adverb to describe something that is done while on horseback. Riding a horse has been a common mode of transportation and a popular leisure activity for centuries. Being on horseback provides a unique feeling of freedom, power, and connection with nature. It requires skill and balance, and it can be enjoyed in various settings such as trails, fields, or arenas. Overall, horseback represents an exciting and cherished experience for many people around the world.